I'm Lakisha Cronin and the department I work in is a production specialist at ITV. I think it's the fact that you have the freedom to sort of do what you like. ITV doesn't stick you to one thing, you're able to ask and branch out to other things even if it isn't in the technical department. Well, I struggle to pick one moment because I've enjoyed every single day that I've been at ITV. The most valuable thing I've learned is to take advantage of the opportunities and the connections you can create. If you are given an opportunity, take it by two hands and just run with it. I didn't really put any expectations on this role because I didn't. I saw a production specialist and I thought, oh, it's a production and it specialises in it, and that's the main thing I wanted to go into. Do it. I mean, the worst you can be told is no. I mean, you get education, you get the experience of working, and you get no debt from uni. That's the best part. You get no debt, you get to learn, and you also get to work. You get to experience in the industry because it's quite hard to get into the industry. So it's an easy way in.